Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to remind you about PM360 season. Last spring there were a few customers that missed out. It just got too late and we weren't able to get their units through the shop on time. So we're just reminding you, PM360 season starts now, so give the guys in the service department a shout, Michael or Nolan, and what we'll do is give you 15% off all of your parts and your labor, and there'll be some special giveaways that go along with it. Along with that, they have specials on trucking and different programs that follow along with it. So just give the folks in the service department a call. Again, Michael, Nolan, or Chelsea, and they can get you booked in and we'll get your unit looked after. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.